Hi everyone. Today in this video we'll see how you can email your past ride invoice through Uber. So open your Uber and log into your Uber account, and you can see a menu on the right top. It is like just little invisible. Like once you click on that, your details come up and you can see an option called your trips, which I have highlighted. Once you click on that, all your past trips come up, and there if you can see, just go to a completed trip and click on that, and you can see the details like uh, uh, all the details, start and end locations, and there you can see an option called receipt, which I have highlighted. If you click on that, the receipt will be here, so you can check the receipt there. But if you want the receipt, you have to go to riders.uber.com, and you have to enter your mobile number to log in. You have to enter your password. Uber would send you a verification code. Once you click on that and verify, you'll be taken to riders.uber.com, and you'll be shown all your trips. And you can see, for this trip I want to resend my receipt. So here there's a resend option, as which I've highlighted. I'll click on that, and automatically the receipt has been emailed message came. So this way you can get the receipt of your Uber ride. I'll enclose the URLs, that is the riders.uber.com, in the description. If you have any other queries related to this, let me know to the comment section. I'll try to help you. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more informative videos, and do like the video if you found it useful. Bye. You say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar